Okay, so hello and welcome back. Thanks for coming back again. And today, this lesson, we're going to be doing strings. So for strings, there's going to be some stuff that we need to know, obviously, but this should be a fairly short lesson. I say that now, and it'll end up being half an hour. But we'll try to keep this lesson short and sweet because strings are fairly easy, even though they are the most used thing that we're going to be using for all of our programs. 90% of all of our programs are going to consist of strings, and yeah. So just to touch base again, or reinforce, PHP Videos Online is the website that you're on. Obviously you know about it. Forums.phpvideosonline.com is the forum to get some help, to ask me some questions, or ask other people some questions and stuff. Lots of advice there, lots of stuff going on. Websitesbyadam.com is my site, development site. So let's get going here. What can we do? What do we do? Okay, so this was the last file that we had. So let's go here. Another lesson. These aren't lesson 2. This is lesson. What is this lesson? This is lesson. Sorry, just give me 1 second here if you don't mind. Bam. Sorry. Hold on with me just for 1 more second. This will be lesson 5. Then lesson 5, and then we'll rename this one. Let's rename this one to lesson 4 because they kind of got mixed up here. Okay, so let's go into lesson 5, and we'll right click and we'll create a new file. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to save this as have to save the file as PHP. So let's put a little bit of stuff in. Oh, no, sorry. Let's save the file as PHP. Save as. Window pops up. Make this a little bit bigger here so that we can see it. All the windows you can fool around with and change the sizes and stuff, and it's pretty cool that way. Let's just call this. Oops. I'm a big screw up today. This is what not to do. Lesson 5.php. Okay. So once we save that, just a special note. In order for your super abbreves, the plugin that we installed to be able to work, you have to save it. It has to know which type of file it's going to be working with. So you have to save your file as a PHP file first, or else when you push Control Enter, you're not going to get this fun little abbreviation input window to be able to pop up. So first thing I always do, this is a special abbreviation that I created myself. It is PHP, and bam, just gives me a nice little starting tag to begin with, and then we can go from there. So PHP, these are the opening and closing tags again, have to be there in order for the computer to know that it's parsing this code as PHP code, and we all know PHP code is just text, right? So let's move on. First thing we're going to do, we're going to echo out to the screen. Now, something else I didn't mention before, a semicolon. Semicolons end a line of code. So you have a line of code here that you want to parse. You throw a semicolon on the end of it. It knows, okay, stop. Parse this code. Parse means to work with this code, and